started out so simple and got so far out of hand, making showbiz out of what was fun. From the time I stopped my schooling and went out to start a band, I've been living every minute on the run. And I've tried to be all that you hoped I'd be, just because things went wrong, don't run out on me. I need you, mama. Open up, I'm coming back in. I don't like it out here no more. Mama, open up, I'm coming back in. I don't like it out here no more. I'm overweight, I'm underpaid. No one's beating your path to my door. Mama, open up, I'm coming back in. I don't like it out here. Motel rooms and flying tombs and food I couldn't chew. From the Fillmore to the White House, chasing fame. But nobody hears my records, and my roof is leaking too.